For all your medicines, contact Love Pharmacy opposite Asante Mampo Market. Love Pharmacy, where quality medicines are affordable.
Welcome to Bright Company Enterprise. Bright Company Enterprise is opposite the MTN office at Asante Mampo.
Phone magazine yedwumadi ayedie ebini se ye repair phone ahoro nyina na afensi yeton accessories unlocking flashing decoding o we phone magazine ayo Asante Mampo main lorry station about Sanpo Friars no store number 23.
I will accept, I will protest to the highest level because this is broad day robbing. This is broad day robbing. At least what do we lose as MPP that upholds democratic tendencies? What do we lose? What do they fear of Benata? So you protest? I will definitely protest. It is my right as a candidate. And if MPP decides that because I am enforcing or demanding for my right, I'll be expelled from the party, I'll be okay with it. I need to enforce. I know what I'm talking about. It's been done before. When you want to assert your right, then people want to trample upon you. How can you have an election supervised by a secretary? That is a fraud election. I had some boys, I ordered them to maintain peace. Listen, in Nkwanta, some of my boys wanted to protest. It would have been bloody. So I called and asked them that, look, it is useless to lose a human blood because of election.
So are you going to protest as you are independent?
I will definitely follow due procedure as provided for in the MPP constitution.
Then why do you say you better spend with you?
And at the end of the day, when the procedures or the channels have been exhausted, I have the right to take another recourse.
The traffic.